What up, guys? Your boy Al just bought another whip from the car auction. This time it's a BMW 2009 with 124,000 miles. Check this shit out. What's up, guys? So this BMW is pretty much done. All I had to do to it was get it clean, clean the interior, pretty much vacuumed it, and got it small. This is the type of car that you want to look for at a car auction. Very clean interior, as you guys can see. As I'm going around the car, very minimal work. See this right here? A little bit of paint right there. Nothing much. And then if we go across around the car, pretty nice paint job. We got this on the hood. No biggie. I'm just gonna try and buff that out. And then we got this fender right here. See this fender? It's kind of faded right here. And then on this bumper, we have some orange peel right here. Show you guys how to take that off. That's real simple. And you can see that orange peel. This car has been repainted before. One of the reasons why you can tell is because of the headlights. If you look at the right headlight, it's a brand new headlight. Brand new headlight. And then if you go over here, this one's used. This is probably the original one that was on here. A little bit yellowish, but overall this car is really nice.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know, the return. If you are what you say